I'm finally here!
Yeah!
Ah!
The cameraman's not shit. Let's go.
Let's go! Alright, here we go. Welcome back. The following contest is a triple threat match! Introducing first, from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, she is Kristy Lee! We always say the same thing whenever she makes the bloody edges and then she just wrong. We need to find something else to talk about her. Ponytail bitch!
She has a bit of a passive resemblance to Tessa Blanchard. Anyone else?
Her opponent from Guadalajara, Mexico. She is Azufre! Ah, shit!
That's so much better than proud.
Amen. One of the most technically gifted luchadors we have. I mean, she blends a phenomenal style of power, technical, and high-flying ability.
Really? Pick your lane and stick with it.
I mean, you're probably gonna get your legs snapped for that one.
Yeah, I mean, I already don't have any of those, so there's no need.
Oh, this is new.
This is very new.
And their opponent from Blackpool, she is the debuting Vanessa Rivers.
I've seen this before. I think I've seen her.
And we only know a couple things about her. She's big, she's strong, she's a bitch, and she's Vincent Blackroot's sister.
Well, that's a whole lot of dudes.
The man who was the main culprit of the tragedy in Blackpool.
That's very true.
The night later was called
Yeah.
Well,
I know. You're the one who always mentioning it.
Nope.
Well, Vanessa Rivers put on a great mount.
No.
That's insane.
I mean, Kristy and Fisher and Lee now have two. Pierce, I messed it up. They have now an even bigger threat. I mean, look at the size! Oh my
She
god!
ran into it!
Oh, poor Vanessa!
Look at the size of Vanessa!
Jesus Christ.
Big bulldog!
Oh my god!
She's bigger than Kristy.
This is Vincent's sister. What are we doing wrong? What's he doing
Ah,
right?
spit out album!
What's the genetics in this family? What's next? We're gonna see him bulk up in the next show.
Think so.
Azufre and Vanessa trying to work together now. With a double suplex!
That's very small.
Beautiful super.
Oh shit.
Oh! Just popped the both of them.
Oh, look at Vanessa!
Oh!
Whoa!
What a move.
Big offense by a kick from Azufre. He knocks down Rivers. Big kick to the back of the head.
Punch knocks her out.
Azufre raining the punches down. And then looking for a big knee drop onto Vanessa's nose.
Turn around, Azufre.
Oh!
Stopped on her head.
Yeah, I think Kristy now has some competition. That isn't just Chris Fisher.
Yeah, Vanessa.
Big shot from Azufre. Whoa! Big back elbow from Lee. That's the design. Oh no! Big chop! Big chop! Triple chops to Azufre's chest. Vanessa backing up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh! Pulling Azufre down into the clutches of Lee. Oh! And another!
the size of that woman.
Oh no.
Rivers. Oh! Slamming Lee's face down onto the mat.
Oh.
Vanessa
Azufre's got a table.
It's a table. We're doomed. You're not even use it.
Nope.
Vanessa
Stay.
sending Lee into the corner now.
Stay, Azufre.
Two women in the corners. Oh,
Oh.
Azufre blocks a chop. And a big neck break from Kristy Lee. And a kip up as well.
Nice tip.
Vanessa takes some time to recover. But now we're Azufre on the ropes. Big shots to the back now, right to the kidneys.
Forearm.
Oh.
Kristy
Big
Lee.
knee from Rivers. Allowing Lee to get some offense in. Like, asking for it, and a big Samoan drop from Kristy Lee.
Beautiful Samoan drop.
But yeah, it looked like Vanessa wanted Lee to take some strike. Oh, it's a hard way back.
Oh.
The crowd won't table, the table on the outside. Off the rope. Oh, what an uppercut!
What the hell was that?
One.
Two, no, oh, they kind of won.
It count. Wow. He's fighting back.
I'm more surprised.
Rivers.
Oh, right.
What a spine buster, but Kristy Lee's there to break it up before even a one count is registered.
Is she stupid?
The strength on that woman.
Rivers sent out the ring, and now Lee raining shot into Azufre's head.
I think we're getting at the last beat.
Actually, poor Azufre.
Poor, yeah, it's a bit depressing. Oh, what a shot from Lee! Raining down with a barbed wire bat.
What?
Oh, she's laying out a little bit of that wild side.
Oh, failing it all.
Oh, boom! What a forearm!
Fucking her out. It's great.
Oh, Azufre was looking for something, but Lee ties her up. What's Kristy thinking?
Okay then.
Uh-oh. Log guard.
Snake eyes!
What?
Oh, what the hell happened there?
Elbow.
Big elbow to the knee of Vanessa Rivers. A big stomp, trying to mobilize that leg.
Poor leg.
Oh, here we go.
Decapitator!
That's
Azufre's there! Lee saw her! But still decided to go for the cover.
Yep. Not smart.
Oh my god, look at the strength of Azufre!
Beautiful spring. Uh-oh. Into the corner.
Jesus Christ.
Whoa! What the hell?
What in the nature?
Dude! Oh.
Oh no.
Lee.
No. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
What the hell?
Vanna Breaker! But Rivers is there! Oh!
Whoa.
Vanessa! Oh, Vanessa.
Oh.
And Azufre working together now.
Ooh.
Oh, what a punch!
Knockout.
And clearing Azufre out with that shot block, I think.
It looked like it, yeah.
Off the rope. Oh my god, look at
God.
all the way slam from Vanessa Rivers.
That was a cool fall.
Oh, the decapitator.
Oh, the commentator out of nowhere. What is Kristy thinking of? Vanessa is right
What are
there.
you cooking?
You score her.
Azufre is just getting good. I'm gonna make a joke, but maybe it's best if I don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not curious.
Yeah.
Oh, Christ.
Big combination from Kristy Lee. Big CDT! Planting Vanessa down.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that looked like it was right to the end, to the cover now for Vanessa. One big kip up from Rivers to break it up as well.
Okay then.
Wow. What did the group break do to you?
Oh, look at that from Rivers. Vanessa now.
Oh.
Scoop slam.
Off immediately.
Whoa. Azufre showing no signs of damage, even though she's been here with like 85 of these women's finishers.
Oh,
Big shot to the chest. The noise on that. Like Kristy Lee's got a sledgehammer.
Never mind. Okay then.
Oh
my God.
Slapping it. Slapping it out of the way. Back suplex. Oh, barely missing the sledgehammer. Rivers Sending Azufre off the ropes. I am what? I have no idea what happened there. Whoa! What a neck breaker from Azufre.
Almost like a rolling neck breaker. She ran.
Lovely DDT.
Oh my god, she
Oh my Lisa!
Oh my god, she didn't see she was off.
That would have been cool.
Decapitator!
God! Yeah, that's it. She's out.
She ate it! 1, 2, 3. What a performance in the first match.
Right.
Here is your winner, Kristy Lee!
I want a good weapon.
Oh no, David, we'll be seeing more of us, dude. I'm telling you that. Right. But at the end of the day, you've not called the GOAT the women's division for nothing.